Alright guys, my name is Hsymeru. Today I wanna tell you how to install APACHE2 web server on Debian 12 virtual machine. On this tutorials you need a computer, a Debian 12 virtual machine, a Debian 12 ISO and VMware workstation software. Alright, let's get into the steps. First of all, you need to open the VMware workstation software. After that, you turn on the Debian 12 virtual machine. After that, you log in with your root account and type your password. After you log in, type the command apt install APACHE2. This command will install APACHE2 web server and press enter. And then connect the Debian ISO by clicking this button and click connect, and then continue the installation by press enter. Alright, after that we will check the APACHE2 web server by typing systemctl status APACHE2. Alright, our APACHE2 web server is active. And then we will check our IP address with IP a command. After that, we will check our web server by going into browser and type our IP address in the search bar. And we can see APACHE2 web server default page. And there it is. Our APACHE2 web server is going online.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.